Activating your American Express gift card is a simple process. Here's how you can do it. Locate activation information. Check the packaging or documentation that came with your American Express gift card. There should be instructions on how to activate the card. Visit activation website. Access the American Express gift card activation website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Enter card details. On the activation page, you will need to enter the 15-digit card number and the 4-digit card security code found on the back of the card. Provide personal information. Enter any required personal information, such as your name, address, and email address. This information may be used for security and verification purposes. Complete activation. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Once successfully activated, your American Express gift card will be ready to use for purchases. Verify activation. After completing the activation process, you may receive a confirmation email or notification confirming that your card is now active and ready to use.